2017 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, security system, CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, compass, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.